You're gonna lose everything if you don't know this one thing these wars are leading us into. These wars are meant to collapse the old world order. That means जैसा भी old governmental system था, that is gonna change. And a new system will emerge. And there could be two possibilities of that. First, we call our power back. We take in charge of everything which we are not in control of. And the second possibility is we let the 1%, the elites, take control of everything which we still have control of. That is our natural resources, our food, our health, the air which we breathe, which is happening right now. Everything is just getting deteriorated, and these people will come up with their alternative solutions, and we would be paying money to them to get what? Our health back, which is actually getting deteriorated because of their carbon emission. You don't even know Bill Gates have patented seeds. Farmers are dying every day in India. This would literally lead to a crisis related to food, which is our basic necessity. And that man has invested so heavily in startups which produce artificial foods, which also cause cancer. And then he's gonna bring some alternative solution for cancer. OpenAI is literally opening its data centers here in India because they cannot make any more data centers there in USA because they are causing a lot of damage as they take a lot of water to cool down their systems, which causes water shortages in households which are near that data center. And we already have water resources problems in India, and they are establishing this here just because we have cheap labor. And the fact we have such a cheap labor is a problem which is related to our education system. All of this will literally shift power more and more to the people who are already in control. We are literally giving away our resources to them, especially with the fact that Bill Gates has patented seeds. He's the largest farmland owner in America. And what are we Indians doing? We are just in control. Think about it. Our government is shit because of us. Because we are in control. We are in control of every goddamn thing. One decision you tell me that you have taken out of your choice in your entire life. You go to school because your parents force you. You take a goddamn job which you don't even like. That is also out of your parents' choice. And then you force yourself to do that job, then you get married, not out of your choice, then you get kids, not out of your choice, and then you just force them to do things that you have never done. That's what our parents did to us, like for their entire life. And that's how we create people who can't think, because they themselves willingly agree on someone else's points of view, on someone else's opinions, and someone else's decision. Their decisions is not autonomous. And then they just keep on leading life, not out of their own choice, but out of someone else's. And that's why we see people moving in literally same direction, same career paths, because it is not even their choice. Are you understanding my point? The way our society has been structured, the way our education system has been structured, the way our parents think, and the way we collectively have organized ourselves has made us completely incapable of thinking. And अब इंडिया में ट्रांस बिल आता है. Think about it. क्या हो जाएगा? सोशल मीडिया पे शोर मचेगा, उसके बाद क्या होगा? I don't know about this trans bill, but we have lost our ability to think. College में मैं literally देखती हूँ that people are literally copying their projects out of someone else's because it's just how you live. You have lost your ability to think, your own creativity, and I don't know, but I know this one thing. That is, if we start trusting ourselves more and more, take autonomous decisions in our life, and let our creativity unleash, we can create a better system which values us as an individual. But that can only happen if more and more people start thinking and doing stuff which they actually want to do, and unleash their creativity and build systems of their own, rather than just being dependent on external factors, opportunities which the system has to offer. Because whatever the system offers, and you move in that same direction, is literally making us slaves to the current system. Think about it. Our parents just wanted to be doctors and engineers, and then just moved in that direction. We need more independent thinkers who just are not dependent on what opportunities the system has to offer. You create your own opportunities. You can open your own goddamn company. Collaborate. Don't just compete. Collaborate with people. लोग इसी mindset में अटके रहते कि competition, jealousy and things like that. That's what makes you disconnect from your power. You gotta learn together, and that's how people organize themselves. They come together, and that's how we can create a better system, an autonomous system. And the first step is to think independent. And we literally see these people are taking more and more control of every resource that we have. Seed Think about it. Bill Gates is taking control over seeds, our food. It's either we create a world, a system which values us, or we let them take us our power. The choice is yours, bro.